Here goes nothing. Grab it. Look, that's good. I got it. Go, come, get out. Yeah.
There it is. Carcass.
Take a photo of it next to the other one. All right, y'all. We did it. It's probably like what, 50 pounds for that? And this is probably like 5.
Let's see. Oh,
come on.
Oh, that's like 40 pounds difference at least.
I think we're
50.
gonna hang this up in our other shop.
Trophy.
Damn. I can't believe we did it, fellas.
Man.
Holy smokes, look at that.
It.
Wow. That is crazy. So you guys can see some Bondo and repairs that were already done. Couldn't have that, fellas. Alright. So, we did it.
Steady. Welding it in.
Burning the ring, dog. There it is. Solid welds coming up. All right, fellas. A little progress on the Cobra. We got everything cleaned out right here, and Eddie's prepping this roll bar up. I'm about to put in. It's ready. It's part of me one of the last fabrication projects that we got on the car, and she'll be ready for paint. So it's been a hell of a day or two, fellas. We got the front clip welded on and tore out. A couple people were questioning me on why I cut the front clip off, because the car was in a collision. You can see how bad and ugly this repair was. I couldn't stand looking at it. You see all this Bondo, and I started cutting and grinding it away. I was like, oh. I'm glad I changed that out, you know? So, a little update on the Cobra, getting the roll bar fitted. And that's the project for today, fellas. Cobra's getting major work done.
Yeah, switch it. All right, everybody, we got Fast Steady. Tacking in the roll cage. Get some good progress done this week. Got it all fitted in there. Everything nice and sanded, ready to go. We're moving and grooving. How we looking?
Dimes plus 99.
Ooh.
Alright, guys. Got a little update for you guys on the motor. I'm back at my buddy's machine shop. And he hit me up. He's like, come over, I got your motor in the hone. So we got the motor in the hone, and had to bring him a flywheel so he can get the balance done on the rotating assembly. And so we're gonna be working on that today. So it's a little update for you guys. She's honed and she's almost ready. Almost ready, fellas. We got a lot of good stuff coming up for that Cobra. All right, you guys. There's a little video of the balance. And my man was just waiting for the flywheel, huh? We'll find out what weight it's at. But everything else looks pretty good. Thank you, Lloyd. I don't know what I'm looking at, but Wes does. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, it's hella far off.
126 grams. 250. All right, so we're way off. We're changing the weight. See what balance we got. All right, second run, 11.98. So I guess it's a 28 ounce weight that it needed. So it's 1 ounce or 15 grams off in the front and 11 in the back. So that's where our start is, fellas. So that's what we need to do. Music. Alright, fellas. My boy Mauricio came over here and laughed at me because I was about to use Bondo. And they got new shit now. It's metal to metal. What is it?
Yeah, it's metal to metal.
What's up, man?
Metal to metal.
Like
and
a Bondo?
better than Bondo. It's like a lot easier to work with and it doesn't make a mess. So I got this custom firewall drafted in, and man, you guys gonna like this. Look at that.
Found this guy over there at Home Depot.
Found him at Home Depot, said he could do body work.
Said he does everything.
Nah, I'm just kidding. Been my homie for like 15 years. Yeah, man, so hope you guys like this firewall. It's coming along, and everything is almost done, fellas. We got the two front end. We got all the repair, metal work. And she's looking like a car. Hopefully Monday we'll get this front end painted. Tomorrow I'll be sanding all day.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Beautiful. Can't believe we were gonna Bondo it.
I'm so stupid. There it is, fellas. Primer. So we'll scuff that up. That's our high build primer, and she's gonna be smooth as a baby's butt. So hope you guys like it. My man Murray's getting down. Look at that, fellas. Not bad for my first firewall.